where it's like, yeah, you're not connected, but you sort of are. Anyway, this is Monfre and Myers Tell the Truth, where we try to illuminate you on the mysteries of marketing, help you avoid getting ripped off, save some money, make your marketing more effective. And today's topic is it's a process, not a project. Am I right? Is that our topic? I hope so, because that's what the type says above our heads.
That's our topic, and I've been doing a lot of thinking about that.
I have too, and I've actually been yapping about it for a number of years. So this will be good territory. So at least in this episode, we're in agreement. And what are we talking about? Marketing is a process, not a project. And where that comes from for me is that we work with we meet a lot of companies, and when we're starting to work with them, and for maybe years even, they've been sort of buying marketing like they buy desks, right? They're just buying SEO, or they're buying the web development, or they're buying some sales collateral, and it's everything's a project, right? Everything sort of lives on its own, and it's kind of hard, at least for me, to explain. And maybe you can do it better, but it's really a mindset of how you look at the work. And if you flip your mindset, it really can change your whole marketing performance, right? And the mindset is that you're engaged in a process, not a project or a series of projects. Is that your
two things. So first of all, I think you have to look at the history of where marketing kind of fits in B2B, right?
Right.
Because in the old days, and I'll call the old days the 90s.
2 years ago. No, go ahead.
Marketing's job was really branding and awareness, right? Like, so everything that we did was a project. It was going to trade shows. It was placing ads. It was direct mail. All of those things were projects. They have a beginning, a middle, and an end, right? That's a project. Back then, a salesperson could leverage off of that branding to set their appointments with prospects. And I remember salespeople telling me as a marketing director, hey, I just want them to have heard of us when I go to do a call, right?
Right.
Now today, buyers are much more empowered. They do a lot more of their own research. And it's not back that they wanted to talk to salespeople back then, but it was necessary to get information about new products and services and all that kind of stuff. Today, and this might be mistaking in their thinking, but they feel like they don't need to talk to a salesperson to get that information, at least not until they're ready. And so that creates a different dilemma. So marketing really has to be putting content out to educate buyers.
Let me interrupt you for just a minute. I guess we're hearing, are you still hearing an echo?
It's better.
Oh, it's better now? Okay. I'm sorry, Jason, that they were saying that
That's
they were
all right.
hearing an echo on you there, and want to make sure that we can hear what you're saying.
So here's the dilemma that I've been thinking about all week, which is projects in any organization, not just marketing, but anything. Projects are how you innovate. Like, you figure out what you need to do, that you develop a project to do that, and set your team off to accomplish it. So everything that you want to accomplish is a project. So it's not that projects go away, but
Right.
I think it's about looking at who's driving that process.
Tell the truth.